Welcome to clickmyproject.com. Now we are going to discuss about the product mixture based superpixel segmentation and classification of SAR images. Now we discuss the abstract for the process. In this process we propose a mixture based superpixel segmentation method for synthetic aperture radio, that is the SAR images. The method use SAR images implementation, the amplitudes and pixels coordinates as features. The feature vector are modeled statically by taking into account the SAR image statics. We restore the finite mixture model to cluster the pixels into superpixels. After the superpixel segmentation, we classify different and covers such as urban land and the rural land and the lake using the feature extracted from the each superpixel. Based on the classification result obtained on the real Terra SAR X images, it is shown that the result obtained by the proposed method, superpixel methods are capable of achieving a more accurate classification compared with the other method when the state of art the superpixel segmentation method such as quick shift, turbo pixels, simple linear interactive clusters and the pixel intensity and location similarity. Hence this process is more efficient for the segmentation. Now we discuss the flow diagram for the process. At first the input image is taken from the dataset. The dataset is the folder which consists of several input images. After getting the input image from the dataset, the pre-processing is carried out. In the pre-processing step, we have to apply the Gaussian filtering method to eliminate the noise present in the image. After the noise elimination, the segmentation is carried out by the help of SLIC segmentation method. In the SLIC segmentation part, we have to consider the four major parts. The first one is the age prediction, then the second one is the peak detection, then the third one is the normalization, and the fourth one is the boundary detection. In the age prediction and the boundary detections are somewhat similar to each other. When the age prediction is carried out, the age pixels present in the images are taken by using some threshold limits. After getting the edge points from the image, the peak detection is carried out. The peak detection is simply taking the pixel peak values from the image with the help of the conditions. Then after getting the peak values, that is the histograms values, the normalization is carried out. In the normalization, the pixels are normalized, then the boundaries are detected based on the normalized output. After getting the boundary regions are drawn in the separate red color. Then the segmentation will be finished. Then the clustering is applied for the segmented image. After the clustering only, we have to segment the region like the urban region or rural region like that. Then the estimation is carried whether the segmentation is efficient or not. By using the estimation part only, we have to justify the segmentation is correct or not. Now we discuss the initial running procedure for the process. At first open the MATLAB 2013 and change the current folder as the directory in the code. Now you can see the main_gui.m file. Now right click in that file and click the option run to execute the file. Now the initial GUI design was opened. In that you can see the several push buttons in the left side and the two axes in the right side to display the images which was undergone for the process. Now I can click the button input image. Now the dataset folder was opened. In that you can see the dataset images, as well as in the folder QuickBud you can see the several satellite images. Select any one image from the QuickBud satellite images. Now click the button open. After clicking the button open, the selected input image is shown in the axis 1 with the title input image. Now click the button pre-processing. By after clicking the button pre-processing, the filter is applied in the input image and the respected filtered image is shown in the axis 2 with the title filtered image. Here the Gaussian filter is applied to filter the noise from the image. Now select the button segmentation. After clicking the button segmentation, the initial SLIC segmentation is carried in the filtered image, which will take some few minutes. Now the SLIC segmentation is applied for the filtered image and the region of the boundaries, that is the region of edges, is displayed. Then the edge region is drawn in the red color. Now click the button clustering. After applying the clustering, the input image is converted into an HSV region. Then the segmented region is shown in the color map region. Now the three type of segmentation is occurred in the satellite images. The first region is red color, then the second region is blue color, then the third region is green color. Now click the button estimation. Now the estimation will carry for two types. The first one is the time and the second one is the accuracy. The time is calculated for calculating the overall working procedure. Then the accuracy is calculated to the difference between the ground truth and the segmented result. The ground truth is nothing but the image which we have already labeled. By the difference between the ground truth and the segmented result only, the accuracy will be estimated. Now the accuracy value is 97%. Thanks for watching this video.